This video shows how to fix the sagging door of a Frigidaire Professional Series microwave. The door sags down when it is open. To close the door, I have to lift it up first before closing it. This issue can be fixed easily without replacing the entire microwave. The sagging is induced by the loose hinge. You can see, right now, the hinge is not holding onto the door frame. To fix this issue, we need to remove the door first. Use a plastic pry tool to remove a small piece at the top of the hinge. Now the door can be lifted up and removed. If one side of the hinge goes back into the microwave body accidentally, you can use the other side of the hinge to have it come out. If both sides of the hinge go back into the microwave body, you may carefully open the bottom vent hood of the microwave by removing related screws, and then you can reach the hinge from the bottom of the microwave. Align the hole in the hinge piece with the hole in the door frame. We can use the rivet to hold the hinge piece onto the door frame through the aligned holes. If you don't have rivets and a riveter at home, here is a low-cost option to consider. Find the appropriate size of the rivet for the holes. For my case, the right rivet size is 5/32 inches. Use a rivet to maintain the alignment of the two holes on the top side of the hinge while working on the bottom side. The riveter has 4 different nose pieces of different sizes. Here is the 5/32 inches nose piece I need. The size of the nose piece at the riveter nozzle is 3/16 inches. It needs to be replaced with the 5/32 inches nose piece. Before using the riveter, it is better to wear safety glasses. To install the rivet onto the riveter, first open the riveter's handles all the way and slide the rivet long side into the nozzle of the riveter. Insert the rivet with the riveter through the hole in the door frame and the hole in the hinge piece. It is important to pull the hinge outward to make sure the rivet is through the hole in the hinge piece. Squeeze the handles of the riveter all the way. If you don't hear the pop, release the handles and squeeze again. When you hear the pop, the pin snaps and the rivet is in place. Now the hinge at the bottom is holding onto the door frame firmly by the rivet. The pin can be dumped out of the riveter. Now let's do the same thing for the top side of the hinge. Slide the rivet long side into the nozzle of the riveter. Insert the rivet through the hole in the door frame and the hole in the hinge piece. Squeeze and release the handle to compress the rivet. Repeat this process until you hear the pop. Now the rivet is installed in place. Dump out the pin out of the riveter. Now the hinge piece is very stable on both sides. Now we can install the door back onto the microwave. Align the two pins on the door with the two holes on the hinge piece. Now the door can move freely and there is no sagging. Install this piece back to the door. Now the sagging door issue is fixed. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Good luck with your project.